High King of Ireland, Rinnal rules the land, crown of gold shining bright through the day and night. Forests deep and castles tall answer to his call. Irish wind, it sings his name, never falls in shame. Rinnal high and mighty, guides his people rightly. From the hills to sea, he sets them free. Green fields spread afar beneath the evening star. Rinnal's strength never fades in his heart ablaze. Legends grow and stories told of a king so bold. Echoes in the valleys wide, Rinnal's still our guide. With a sword in hand, he defends his land. Courage never bends, Rinnal's reign ascends. Rinnal high and mighty, guides his people rightly. From the hills to sea, he sets them free. Green fields spread afar beneath the evening star. Rinnal's strength never fades, and he sets them free. He sets them free. Rinnal high and mighty, guides his people rightly. From the hills to the sea, he sets them free. Green fields spread afar beneath the evening star. Rinnal's strength never fades in his heart of blaze. Legends grow and stories told of a king so bold. Echoes in the valleys wide, Rinnal's still our guide. Rinnal's still our guide. With a sword in hand, he defends his land. Courage never bends, Rinnal's reign